Hi, I'm Gary Nitskin. Welcome to our firm's debt collection practice. Today, if you're chasing a debtor for money in Michigan, chances are there are others chasing that very same debtor as well. Whether you realize it or not, that debtor only has one pot of money to split up amongst all of his creditors. You're in a race for that one pot of money. Time is not on your side. If you have a debt that you need collected, you need us. We are a very aggressive and knowledgeable debt collection law firm. We've been collecting debt since 1990. We are seasoned and experienced at collecting both simple and complex cases. Nitskin & Associates is the only debt collection law firm in Michigan that has 2 full-time certified public accountants on staff. This makes us the most formidable debt collection firm in the state. Simple collection cases are usually collected with a garnishment or writ of seizure, where we take cars, boats, businesses, and anything else our court officers can find. More complex debt collection cases involve our attorneys and our certified public accountants. Our attorneys subpoena tax returns, financial statements, and bank records for our CPAs to review. Our CPAs examine those documents, and frequently they're able to identify assets that have been hidden by a business owner. Our lawyers are then able to file the appropriate papers to reclaim those assets for our clients. If we can be of service, please feel free to click on one of the links on my website. If you'd like to talk with me about your problem, please feel free to give me a call. Otherwise, send me an email. I'll be happy to respond to it. Thank you.